Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to find drafted emails you previously saved in Gmail. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the Drafts option or Drafts button on the left menu here when you're under Gmail. So go ahead and just left click on that. And then you should have all of your drafts listed in here. Just select it or just left click on whatever draft you want to modify. And if you want to make it full screen, you can select the full screen option to pop it out into full screen mode. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.